It's the 8th day of Christmas and we have 8 maids a-milking. Oh, and I forgot to check if there's any fun things. Oh yes, so an 1840 version says hares are running, and a couple versions after that said ladies dancing, and there's another hares are running. And then an 1877 version just forgot this day entirely. And oh, here's a fun one. 1905 version says boys a singing. Very fun. Well, it's New Year's Day, so Happy New Year. And we're going to open a jam. And here's our picture of 8 maids a-milking. There's one maid with milk. She's technically not milking at the moment. And there's only one of her. 8 ways to cherish, and it's honey. Just what we need, more honey.
Yeah.
We have quite a lot of honey in the cupboard, but that'll be fun. And Tommy was here, he just went. Oh, there he is. Okay, Tommy, let's see. Oh, Tommy, come here. He's walking away. Shop for their stocking stuffers. This is a repeat.
Oh,
But
I wonder
they
if they'll
really
all
like
be
it.
repeats. Yes.
Maybe, but that wouldn't be bad because they've been really good. The cats have really been enjoying them. Okay, Bath and Body Works.
So that one can be a little difficult to open. So while you're working on that, I will let everyone know that in Tudor England, the 8th day of Christmas, or New Year's Day, was the traditional time to give gifts. Its evidence suggests that it was mostly upper and middle class people who gave gifts, probably because the poor people didn't have any gifts. So what do we have today in the
We have
Bath and Body
a
Works?
holder for the hand sanitizer, and I was just thinking this weekend we could use another one of these little hand sanitizer holders for the backpack or something. So, yay, and it's gold and sparkly.
Great.
Yay!
Perfect timing.
That's great.
So, what's day 8 in
So,
Stitchmas?
Oh, day 8 is a fun one, and
Ooh,
there was
it's a long one.
reference to this bag. The Foxy bag said it would go well with day 5 and day 8. Oh. More wood stuff. This is very crafty.
Oh.
Oh.
Pictures.
Here, hold it like that. Well, there's 2 hooks and 2 holders
Huh.
and a bunch of, oh, the biggest, longest crochet hook I've ever seen. I'm like, I'll be doing macrame or something. I don't know.
Very long.
And then there's this dowel with bits off the side.
Oh, a pattern. Something to tell us what to do with this.
I think it is that macrame? It's something interesting like that. That'll be pretty.
Okay.
Never used a crochet hook. It says it's a size 5 Afghan hook.
Okay. Well, I guess that's what that is.
I've never, oh,
So, are you crocheting this wall hanging?
what's a crochet hook? I don't know. Whatever it is, I'm going to figure out how to do it. I don't have a clue.
We'll be all set for next Christmas.
There's a pattern.
Oh.
So, it can't be, I don't know, maybe. So, it doesn't look like crochet. But the instructions are similar because it says insert yarn around, pull up a loop, and second chain from hook. So I think it's kind of like crochet. And then you have to use a Tunisian stitch.
We'll have to learn what that is.
Well, that'll be exciting.
Yes. Very educational.
Really good project for the new year.
Maybe the Tunisian stitch is what makes all of these snowballs, snowflakes. They're supposed to be snowflakes. There wouldn't be snowballs falling on the truck. I am so silly.
Actually, it could be that little square stitch that's used throughout. It's a pretty background stitch.
Yeah.
No idea. So if you know, if you're watching this and you know what this is and you're like, she's such an idiot, can you just comment below, because this is new to me, obviously.
Yeah, preferably don't say you're just an idiot. Just tell us what to do with
Tell
it.
me nicely. Yeah.
Right.
Okay, skill level medium.
Okay.
I'm not surprised.
We're on the beginner skill level.
No, I've got this. I've got this. Okay, anyway. Tune in tomorrow for 9 something or others, and I hope you have a happy new year.